Hi, little learners. Today, we're going to discovering and exploring classroom items. Are you ready? What is this? Pencil. That's right. It's a pencil. Now, what about this? Book. Excellent. This is a book. What is this? Board. That's right. It's a board. Now, what about this? Pen. Excellent. This is a pen. What is this? Scissors. That's right. It's a scissors. Now, what about this? Glue. Excellent. This is a glue. What is this? Ruler. That's right. It's a ruler. What is this? Eraser. Right, this is eraser. Now, what about this? Crayon. Right, this is crayon. Now, what is this? Compass. Right. This is compass. Now, what about this? Desk and chair. Right. This is desk and chair. Now, what is this? Projector or smartboard. Right. This is projector or smartboard. What is this? Stationery. Right, this is stationery. Now, what about this? Computers. Right, this is computers. Now, what is this? Clock. Right. This is clock. Now, what about this? Trash bin. Right. This is trash bin. Now, what is this? Storage cabinets. Right. This is storage cabinets.